Shout out to my nigga Pharaoh. I came with the yeah. The hip-hop police, they been after me, cause I'm preaching self-love and self-mastery. Yes, I am. I came to talk about the God in you. God us and God's how we gotta move. When we was the slaves, what the Bible do? Confuse us, no, you can't be high as us. Take away knowledge, it's easy to hide the proof. So much power inside of you. That's right.
Peace and love, y'all. Peace and love, y'all. This is Pharaoh Nefertem again, back at it again with another video. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. Help me out so I can help you out. And we're gonna get started. So I'm doing a video today just to show you guys how simple it is to make some tea. Because it's not like it's rocket science. But the more difficult part is figuring out what you are making it for. Right, and so right now, somebody is having blood in the mucus. It's not necessarily coughing up mucus. I mean blood, even though it's a little bit of that. They're feeling like it's more nasal drip into the nasal drip is just happening to get into the mucus, and then they're coughing up the nasal drippings, right? So what I want to do is give them some antibacterial or antiviral herbs and then some expectorant herbs, right? So one of the main things I want to do is give them some peppermint leaf. Peppermint leaf is an expectorant, but it also helps soothe your respiratory tract. So what I'm going to do is let me think. If it's for, I want these three to be my main. No, I want this. I'm gonna have this one be. Do I want this one to be the main herb? So how you do it is that you have a main herb. You have some supporting herbs, and you have assisting herbs. I'm gonna have ginger be my main herb. Ginger and ginger, peppermint, and eucalyptus are gonna be my main herbs. No. Ginger and peppermint. Okay, I got it. So ginger and peppermint are my main herbs. So I'm gonna have 3 teaspoons of ginger and peppermint. Now I'm just kind of like fake measuring the ginger, you know what I mean? Because it's not like powder, so I have to like, kind of eyeball it. Right. So 3 teaspoons, right, and then 3 teaspoons of peppermint leaf. 1, 2, 3, and then eucalyptus is going to be my assistant herb, right? No, eucalyptus and hawthorn berry leaf and flower are gonna be my assistant herbs. So that means I do 2 teaspoons, right? And then the hawthorn is gonna be. Hawthorn is going to be the other assisting herbs, so that's 1 and 2 teaspoons. And then my assisting herbs, which are just going to be the herbs that help assist the entire process. So St. John's wort herb is an antibacterial herb. Excuse me. I'm also I kind of want to put some oregano in there too, but I might not do that. And then orange peel. Orange peel is going to be another assistant herb. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of that in there. And of course, orange peel is really high in vitamin C, which is the reason why I'm doing it, to make sure that the immune system can fight off whatever may or may not be in there. You know what I mean? So, and then St. John's wort, antibacterial. I think it's antimicrobial as well. And then the assisting herb only gets 1. So it goes 3, 2, 1, or it could go 4, 3, 2, or it could go 5, 3, 1. It really just depends on how you see fit. But the main herb gets the most, the assisting herb gets the next most, and then the supporting herb gets the least. Right. With that being said, is that the only herbs that I want to put in here? Yeah, I believe right now that's the only herbs I want to put in here. Then you just mix it up. You let it boil a little bit. You don't let it like boil. The water has already gotten like I already boiled the water before I put the herbs in. As you can see, it's already smoking, so I don't have to like do a whole bunch. After that, you cover it. Hold on. You cover it, and then that's it. You let it sit for about an hour. I would normally put some licorice root in here too, but I don't have any licorice root, which is really unfortunate. I need to get some. So you just cover it. You just let it sit. You could let it sit on low, which is what I'm probably gonna do. I'm gonna let it sit on low, and then that's really all you do. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Black pepper is a herb that helps the body absorb whatever you put in here better, right? Now, you don't need to put a whole bunch of black pepper. Just a pinch will do. You don't need to put like, whole ass, doing the most. This is a mortar, right? And it's just, you just crush it up, right? Crush up. You take some, boom, 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 boom. Take a little more, boom, 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 boom. I think I'm doing a little more. That wasn't really all that much. Okay, cool. And then that's it. And you let it sit. You let it sit. And then you drink it. It's not like it's rocket science. It's just more of the fact of knowing what each herb does. Yes. That being said, I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button, share, subscribe. With that being said, one more thing that you want to do is, if you're feeling some sort of, let me phrase this. One more thing that I'm gonna have this person do is take some chlorella. The reason why I'm having them take chlorella is because, sorry, I had to drink a little water. Chlorella is because chlorella helps detoxify your system, and you want to always detoxify your system. I'm gonna have them do probably the tea first, and then chlorella. I had to think about that a little more, but you have them drink some, and then you wait an hour, and then you have them drink this one, and you wait an hour, and then you have them drink another one. You know what I'm saying? That's basically how it goes. With that being said, that's the end of the video. Love you guys, appreciate you guys. Like button, share button, subscribe. Help me out so I can help you out. The more you help me, the more I can help you. With that being said, peace out.